The enthalpy change of a chemical reaction in which the reactant A is converting into the product B is given as minus 4.2 kilojoule per mole. The activation energy of the reaction is 9.6 kilojoule per mole, and we need to choose the correct potential energy diagram which denotes this particular reaction. First of all, we need to know the enthalpy change of the reaction can be found out by using the equation enthalpy of the product minus enthalpy of the reactant. Based on the value of this delta H or enthalpy change, we can predict the nature of the reaction. If delta H value is negative, it means the reaction is exothermic. That is, the reaction takes place by the liberation of heat energy. If the value of delta H is positive, it means the reaction is endothermic, which takes place by the absorption of heat energy. So here we can say in an exothermic reaction, the energy of the product will be less than that of the reactant. But in endothermic reaction, the energy of the product will be greater than that of the reactant. Now let's come to the options given here. In the first option, we can see the reactant A is having less energy and the product B is having high energy. It means the reaction is endothermic. But here in this question it is given that the enthalpy of this particular reaction is minus 4.2 kilojoule per mole. It means this reaction given here is exothermic in nature. But the first reaction denotes the endothermic nature of the reaction. So option A is the incorrect one. In option B, we can see the reactant is having less energy and the product is again having higher energy than that of the reactant. This is not again exothermic reaction. It denotes another type of endothermic reaction. So option B is not the correct one. Now let's come to the option C. The reactant A is having high energy and the product B is having low energy. It means it denotes an exothermic reaction. So this is the correct answer. If you come to the option D, here reactant and products are having same energy. This is not in case of an exothermic reaction. So option D is wrong. So the correct answer is option C.